Hello friends, so in today's video we are going to make a Python program to calculate area of rectangle. So we will create a new file by pressing Ctrl plus N. Now we will write L equals to int bracket input bracket inverted commas, enter the length. Inverted commas, bracket, double bracket close. B equals to int bracket input bracket inverted comma, enter the breadth. Again inverted comma and double bracket. Area equals to L multiply B. Enter print bracket inverted comma area of rectangle is inverted comma space area bracket close. Now we will save by pressing Ctrl plus S and we will name it calculate area of rectangle. Enter. We will run by pressing F5 key. Length 9, breadth 9. As you saw that our program is running perfectly. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe.